Hi there, I'm Matteo di Ienno. I'm bar manager of Locale Florence. We are a cocktail bar and restaurant located in historical palace of Florence. The history of a Medici family is also part of this building. The style of our kitchen and bar goes together. We are very lucky to live in a region like Tuscany. They offer a lot of vegetables and fruit that we work seasonally together with the kitchen. So the drink I'm going to present you today is the leaves. So we use in the spring the fresh leaves of basil, mint, also the hemp that grows in the Tuscan field of Chianti. We nitro muddle the basil with nitro, so we get a very low temperature and we don't extract the bitterness from the leaves. I'm gonna put a generous portion of Tanqueray, our mint and hemp syrup, and fresh lemon. It is then shaken. Serve over a nice on a block of ice without any garnish. Salute.